Hello, this is Latrell Jackson, and welcome to KOG Live Algebra Homework Help. Should write that on the screen, right? And I am here to answer your questions while you're doing your homework. KOG. Let me go ahead and share this in my group because I forget sometimes. In my group and on my page. Hey, everybody who jumped on already. So I'm answering your questions. You know, I do this every week. And just here to be available for you when you have a question. You can tag someone, share this, um, submit your question right now if you want to. And I'm excited. I got some things that I'm going to share with you guys. And just give me like 5 seconds. Okay, just give me 5 seconds. So here's the thing. I am I'm doing a challenge and giveaway. Yay! Who's watching? Phoenix Flawless Smith. Hey girl. Miss Imani, how are you? So I'm doing a challenge and a giveaway. And like I was saying in my previous um, video that I did yesterday, I think. Um, the challenge is to jumpstart the new year. A lot of people do challenges in the beginning of the new year, and I developed my own challenge for word problems. So it's called Champs at Word Problems Challenge, and I didn't really have the giveaway mapped out what I was going to give, but now I know. So here's what I'm going to be giving out. There's going to be 3 for you to end up with based on the amount of points you. And when you sign up, then you're able to, when you sign up for the challenge, then you're able to enter the giveaway, and you can accumulate points based on what you do as far as inviting people and signing up for things. And it's all to help you with your math journey. So the first prize, when I'm gonna start with the third prize actually. Prize is going to win a, so everybody gets the math readiness kit. Is that everybody's getting every, and the is sorry, my internet went out real quick. The math readiness kit is some index cards, some colored pencils, erasers, um, and things like that. I'm actually also going to send you a sheet of resources physically and through email, because then you'll be able to click the links in the sheet so that you can be able to use stuff like Desmos, which is an online graphing calculator. If you don't have one, there's a resource. Or you can use something called Algebra Tiles, which is an online simulation to help you with multiplying polynomials. It's fun. Okay, I know the stuff that I'm talking about is probably like I don't get it. But if you are taking algebra right now, you're going to need some of these resources that I'm going to be sending you. And I know about them because I use them all the time with my students, and they start to get the concept when they have something extra besides um, just me, writing it down and doing 100 of them. So the other prizes you're going to get is the second prize person is going to get a book bag. The second prize person is going to get a book bag. They're also going to get a 1 hour session, tutoring session with me for free. That's the second prize. And the third prize is going to get a free Ask Me questioning service. So if you go to my website, you'll go to services. You'll see, hey April, hey Aunt Danny, thank you for the hearts and everybody. For the third place, you're going to get a free Ask Me question answering service. So let me write that. Everybody kit. And some of the things that you had in the beginning in September is probably either depleted or you need more or you need new because it's raggedy or something. So I'm going to be sending you a new one and some more. So you get supplies and you get a second place. And second place also get a 1 session free. Get ask. Oh, and also, guys, please share. Thank you for those who are still watching on. Questioning. So that's when you submit a question or a concept, say, I do not understand how to do this. Can you help me? I will send you a video tutorial. I will send you my notes, screenshots of my notes. So all the notes that I'm writing in the video, I'll send you that. And I will send you extra study material. Okay. And first place gets Math Readiness Kit and ship in my upcoming academy, KOG Academy. Free membership, like just free. This is going to be a monthly program where you're going to be paying monthly. The members are going to be paying monthly, but if you get the most points in this giveaway program, you're going to get a free membership, period. You're just going to be in the program, and you're not going to pay anything, and you're going to get all the perks of being a member. Okay? So this is something that I would be participating in if I was about to take algebra in college next semester. If I was taking algebra currently in high school, or if I'm working on studying for a test that I have to take for work, or to get into a specific program, or a specific like if you're taking a GMAT or something like that. Algebra is on those tests. You would benefit from these giveaway prizes if you're in the position of in your math journey. So go ahead and share this video. Go ahead and join the Champs at Word Problems challenge, which is also another um, heavy hitter in these tests that you're taking regarding moving up in your career, or just taking another class. You're going to see word problems, and you're going to need some strategies to be able to answer those word problem questions. It's going to be fun. I got some ideas. I'm actually going to make sure that what we are talking about, the questions that we are breaking down with our word problem strategies, it's going to be relatable, something that you can like actually see yourself in. And it's just going to be something that will definitely benefit you and whoever else you invite. So, once again, this is the Champs breaking. It's breaking up, and I'm not exactly sure why. So if you have any questions, once again, I'm going to stay on until 8:30. If nobody had asked any questions, I'm going to sign off. But I I got somebody signed up. I definitely appreciate all the support I've been getting so far. Going live, people sharing, tagging other people. So definitely keep it up. It's fueling me for bigger and better things. Thanks, Miss Couture, for sharing. I know you are a teacher, and um, you have some students who need math help. So it'd be nice if they came and asked their questions. Oh, but school didn't start yet for college. So that uh, there's this program that's really cool, and I want to like demonstrate it for you. So I think I'm going to do that since nobody's asking any questions tonight. Let me go to my group and see if they have any questions. Still here. You can go ahead and ask your question. And I will be here waiting on you. So this is a program called Algebra Tiles, right? And I was using it with my student, and it was really fun. I like it a lot. So I'm going to go to it and do a demonstration. So, use Algebra Tiles. Load Algebra Tiles. Oh, it's taking a while. Also, please join um KOG Math Achievers Club. It's linked in the description of this video. Um, I'm going to just reload this page, and you'll stuff that I don't talk about. One. that was for me to relate to real life, like function anything. And is in the group if you want to yield ending of your Miss Briggs parent to and because it's not going to my whiteboard. Like 7 minutes left. Let me clear the screen. So let's look at some examples on how to do not algebra tiles, but how to multiply polynomials without doing it the normal way. Like add a little bit of variation to it because sometimes um, somebody may get it one way, but somebody else may get it another way. And there are actually 4 ways to multiply polynomials that I wasn't aware of, that I learned about. So here's one way we can use board table, and we can let me start that over, and we can do this using this type of x times x squared plus 9. Okay, so we look at one of the polynomials that's being multiplied. This first one is a polynomial. Then we look at monomial, which is inside the parentheses. So the first polynomial is actually a monomial because it's only one term, and mono means one. And then the one inside is a trinomial because it has 3 terms. So how we want to set up our box is we want to, or a table, we want to make it 1 by 3 because and the other polynomials. So we can write the one on one side and then the trinomial of the 3. Okay, cool. So now what we can do is just multiply. So x times each one of these, and when we finish multiplying each one of these, they'll go in the box. So x times 2x squared, that's going to give x cubed. And then x times negative 3x, we got multiply to each other. X times x is x squared times positive 9 is going to. So when we write that over in polynomial form, it'll be 2x cubed is 3 plus. That wasn't too bad, right? It's actually a great way to organize uh, your terms after you have multiplied it. It's kind of like a machine. Let's try another one. All right, so let's do a 2 by 2. Well, I don't know why this is thin like that. X plus times. Okay, so since this is a 2 by 2, well, since we have 2 binomials multiplied to each other, because remember, um, a binomial by 2. means that there are two terms in the polynomial. They're both binomial. So that means that our table is going to be a 2 by 2 table. This. Two, we line our boxes, and then on the top, we're going to put the other binomial, the terms of the other binomial, and that's x, and then minus 3. So what we do here is whatever whatever the box, the two terms that are surrounding it are x and x. So we're multiplying x times x, which gives us x squared. This box has plus 2 and x on top, so we're gonna do 2 times x. First box again is x times negative 3, and then 2, positive 2 times negative 3 goes in the last box, 6. All right, so this one is a little bit lined up like the other one was. However, we still write as we would in a polynomial. So we got x3 plus 2. The 2x is positive unless it has a negative sign in front of it. Then you know it's negative. If it doesn't, then it's positive. And so the thing about this polynomial is that it has two like terms. We got negative 3 and then negative 3x, and then we got 2x. So what we want to do is what's called combined like terms are alike because they have the same variable, and the variables have the same exponent. And you don't see the exponent, so that means that they have the same exponent. The exponent is actually 1. Um, these are like terms. So we're going to combine them using their negative. That's the sign of the term, and the coefficient is 3. The coefficient is the number in front of the variable, and then we got positive 2. So we got negative plus 2. That's what that is. Negative 3 plus 2. We can also write it as positive 2 minus 3. That's a little bit easier to tell what the answer would be, because we're doing 2 minus a number bigger than it. So it's going to be 2 minus 3, which is 1. So our answer was negative 1. That means that our term is going to be negative minus 6. Usually we don't write the 1, so we can just say negative x minus 6. And it'd be x minus 6. And there you go. See anybody's questions? Thank you all for sharing. And also, let me just write that this was lying. Not because it's over. Multiplying. Just another way of doing it. And once again, sign up for the challenge and the giveaway. The challenge is called Champs at Word Problems. And we're going to really get into different strategies you can use to break down word problems and actually triumph through the word problem instead of just being confused and skipping it. Because a lot of students skip it. A lot of students Hey, Jocelyn. A lot of students just don't care about word problems when actually word problems are what math comes from. It comes from real life situations. Are right at night and sign up for the challenge. Champs of Word Problems Challenge. Join the group. KOG Math Club. Both are